how to fix your Discord storage for error. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply restart your Discord and your device. Close the Discord completely and try to open it again. If that doesn't work and you're on a PC, what you want to do is press Windows plus R and then type in app percentage on the run command and click on OK and delete all the folder that is inside of it. Then you want to simply go ahead and clear your Discord cache if you're on an Android device by going to Settings, App, and Discord. If that is not the case, you might need to free up your disk space as well. And also in your advanced settings, you want to make sure that hardware acceleration is turned off. If that is not the case, you might also need to simply go ahead and update your Discord application to the later version if there is. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you switch to a stable network and restart your router. If that is not the case, you can simply uninstall and reinstall your Discord, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.